want to show you how to play the Dukes of Hazzard TV show theme. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. We're in the key of F, but let's start with the intro. We've got the intro as C, G, C, G, C, F, C, F in the bass, and we just put a C chord with that, E, G, C. Then an F chord, F, A, C. Then the melody kicks in. Now let's get the melody. A, C, D, C, F. A, C, D, C, C, F. Go to a B flat chord. And then we got A, G, F, 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 E, D, E, D, C, 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 D, F, F, F. So, put it together. Go to a B flat right there. So you go from F, C, F to a B flat, F, B flat, back to the F, C, F. So we just go back and forth between that. So you're going from an F chord to a B flat chord. Now the B flat chord, we're going to play F, B flat, D in the right hand. So we go from F, A, C to F, B flat, D, and we've got a B flat chord. A C right there in the bass. Then the second verse, D, C, C, F. D, C, C, F. Now here I'm just going to play the B flat and the D. Now here we rush into that E, C. E, C. And then finish it out C, 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 A, G, and it would end with an F, but I'll let the left hand play that. So the right hand can come back up to the chord. And then we're into the chorus. A, C, 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 E, D, C, 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 E, D, C, 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 D, F, F, F. So left hand, they're just going to have C, G, and C. Just stays on that C chord until you get to the F. That'll end the chorus. So we then all the way down. Then the reprise tag for the end of that intro. And here's the tag. So it just ends F with an F chord. There you have it, Dukes of Hazzard theme from the TV show. I hope you enjoy playing it.